Are you struggling to improve your English language skills? Have you ever considered learning English through movies? In this video, I will show you how to effectively learn English from movies. With these tips that I share with you in this video, you can improve your English vocabulary, your pronunciation, as well as listening and comprehension skills in English. So grab some popcorn and get ready to learn English in a fun and engaging way. Let's get started. Watching English movies for improving your English language skills is a great way. Of course, this can help you to do so about learning your language skills and improving it instantly in a fun and engaging way. So I have covered in this video some tips. The first one out of those tips is going to be choose the right movie. So first you choose the movie that you are interested in. It matches the level of your proficiency in English. If you are a beginner, you may watch the movies that have simple vocabulary and sentence structure. But if you are more advanced, you may challenge yourself with watching the movies that have complex ideas and varied accents. For example, if you are a beginner, you can start by watching the children movies, the classic ones. It could be for example, The Lion King. It matches you if you are a beginner English student. If you are more advanced, then you could watch the movie like Godfather or Pulp Fiction. Here is my second advice for you that how you can learn English from movies, which is to use subtitles. It's a best and a great idea to use the subtitles while watching movies in English, especially if you are a beginner. This will help you understand the dialogue and also improve and learn new vocabulary. As you get more advanced, you may watch the movies without subtitles to challenge yourself, and this can be really helpful to improve your English language skills through watching the movies. For example, if you are watching The Lion King, turn on the subtitles so that you may read along with watching the movies. Here is the third tip out of those tips, which is to listen for new vocabulary and phrases. Pay close attention to the new phrases and vocabulary that you hear in that movie which you are watching too. Write them down and also find their meaning later. This will help you understand the context, the words used in a context, and also will help you boost your English vocabulary. For example, if you hear the phrase Hakuna Matata in the movie The Lion King, you're gonna have to put it down, write it down, find its meaning. You know what does this phrase literally mean? Of course, it means no worry. My fourth tip is to repeat phrases and practice pronunciation. Try to repeat the phrases that you hear in the movie. This will help you to improve your pronunciation and fluency, and finally become a fluent English speaker as you just watch in the movie. For example, if you hear the phrase I'll be back in the movie The Terminator, you're gonna have to repeat it again and again with correct pronunciation and intonation. So this was the step number 4. Before I dive into the step number 5, you're gonna have to do 3 things for me. First, make sure right now subscribing to the channel. Click on the bell to notify to this channel so that you can get any new video uploaded anytime. Second, you're gonna have to give me a thumbs up if you have learned anything from this video till this place. Third, you're gonna have to share the video link with your friends so that they can learn English from the movies, of course. Anybody wants to learn English in an engaging and a fun way through movies, but they don't know how to do so. This is the video for those of you. So my final or the 5th tip is to watch with a friend. Watch an English movie with a friend who is also learning English language is a great way to improve your English language skills. By applying this technique, you can discuss the movie together with each other, and also you can ask kind of questions coming out in your mind from each other related to the particular movies you are watching. For example, watch the movie The Godfather and also discuss the plot and the characters of the movie, and also ask each other questions about the movie. In summary, learning English from movies is a great way and a fun and interactive way to improve your language skills with. Choose the right movie, use subtitles, listen for new words and phrases, repeat the phrases and practice pronunciation, and watch with a friend to get the most of your English movies watching experience. That's it for this video. I shared with you 5 important tips that can help you learn English from movies. Of course, learning English from movies is a great way and a fun and engaging way of learning English language. If you agree that we can learn English from movies, leave me in the comment section yes. If you don't agree, leave me in the comment section no, so that I can be motivated through your comments, and I will be just sharing with you new information in my next coming videos. Well, thank you, and I will see you in the next coming video with a new helpful topic, and I will see you there. Take care of yourself. Bye.